So friend, Samsung is expected to launch the thin Galaxy S25 Edge on May 13 with a global rollout 2 weeks later. The smartphone was reported to be priced between S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, and we now have confirmation of that because Samsung accidentally leaked the price on its own website. The 256GB version of Galaxy S25 Edge will cost around $1,200, while the 512GB variant will be cost about $1,350, and these prices appeared in a terms and condition page about discounts for the Galaxy Tab S10 FE and on the French version of Samsung Canada website. The Galaxy S25 Edge was listed as an eligible smartphone that users can purchase to get 20% off the original price of the tablet, and the listing include the phone's serial number and colors, confirming that it was indeed a mistake on Samsung's side and not a copy-paste issue. The Galaxy S25 Edge will come in titanium silver or titanium jet black, and Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy S25 Edge with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a 200-megapixel main camera and an ultra-thin body. Sadly, it is also reported packing a rather small battery. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.